Oh, you miss Daddy.
I miss my daddy.
Oh.
Yeah.
The game starts at 4:30.
The game starts at 3:30, I think.
You are 4 feet 2 inches and you are 4 feet 3 inches.
You know that you look really cute in a hat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. We are sitting inside the car waiting to go into Lily's honor roll assembly. I actually just went around the car and got a million receipts and trash and things all over the entire car because afterwards we're gonna run this through the car wash. Oh my, that little boy just kicked that other little boy. And the kindergarten playground is rough. Look at him. Where's the supervision? Anyways, we're gonna go through the car wash really quickly and just like get this done really quick. And then we got 5 doctor's appointments today. We'll have like about 30-40 minutes to like do a quick clean on the car, go back, get the girls. Little girls have an appointment together, and then my 3 older ones have an appointment together like 2 hours later. So we'll have to like do a little switch, bring them back to school, pick up the other ones. Gonna make some chili, like a large batch of Hawaiian chili. It's not like your regular like hearty meaty chili. I mean, this is hearty and meaty, but it is more of like an island sweet vibe, and we have it over jasmine rice and it's amazing. Fun fact, I actually won the chili cook-off at my friend's Halloween party last year with this specific recipe. I highly suggest you try this recipe. It is amazing. I did some chopping last night just to kind of make it a little bit easier because I wanted to teach my older girls how to make it. So when everything's already chopped up, we can concentrate on like the seasonings and just bringing everything together, marrying it all together. So it's a football day. Anyways, let's just go out about our day. Let me just show you instead of telling you. Are ready to go? So we failed. It's next week. At least we didn't miss it, right, Zeo?
Yeah.
Let me see your cute little face.
Okay.
Cheese! Oh! Okay, we'll be back next week.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, love you.
Love you.
Go to this assembly on the wrong day. It's actually next Friday. Whatever will I do with an extra 40 minutes? Thank you. Sure, why not? Yeah.
Miss Daddy.
Oh, you miss Daddy.
I miss my daddy.
Oh, you miss your daddy?
Yeah.
Oh. You love Dada?
Yeah.
Say, love you, Dada.
Love you, Daddy.
Oh.
Yeah, I talk to you.
I talk to you.
Call Daddy.
Okay, we're gonna call him in a minute. Okay, so I got a skinny vanilla latte. It's like a sugar-free latte. It's not as sweet. And then I got some goodies. I got a vanilla custard Danish, which is really, really good. And then, am I parked? Yes. And then I got the potato chive bakes. These are really good. I'm not an egg bite fan, but I like the potato ones, and they're uber expensive, so we need to just make them at home. It's only like my 3rd time getting them. This is not an everyday thing. Okay, I'll hold you. Look, you can see the fish. Stay right there. Okay, so last night I put some chicken breast in the crock pot that I needed to use up. So we're going to just put it in a container, and then I'm gonna probably do some burritos tomorrow to like freeze for quick lunches, quick snacks, all that stuff. I'm gonna add some like rice that I'm gonna make later on, beans, cheese, you know, all the things. So this is like my go-to thing when I have some meat that, you know, I'm too lazy or don't have enough time to cook and just need to use up. I'll just put like a can of enchilada sauce or salsa or peppers and tomatoes and some taco seasoning and put it on low all night. Bam, you got some shredded chicken. Getting an update on the LA fires, and it's a lot. We have people that we know there. Actually, our neighbors' kids live there really close to the fire. A lot of people have been losing their homes, and it's just devastating. I'm trying to figure out like how we can help. We were actually supposed to be down there this weekend. We had planned to do like a last minute trip. We were going to go to Universal Studios, but Universal Studios is closed, and obviously we have no business being anywhere near there. We're not going to get in the way of people trying to get, you know, away from their homes, and yeah, it's not very safe, but our prayers go out to everyone impacted by the LA fires, and let's hope that they get it contained soon. Yeah, not do their job.
Lola, I miss you. Okay.
Climb up. Climb up. Look. 1, count. 2.
I'm strong.
You are very strong. Wow, you did it.
Yay, I did it.
Good job.
Good boy.
Back in the car, we're on our way to go get the little girls because they have their doctor's appointment. Big family tip, always try to schedule your doctors and dental and whatever type of appointment, specialty appointments that you need for your kids, like clockwork. Always schedule it ahead of time. So when I leave here, I will schedule an appointment for next year for their wellness checkup. It just makes it so much easier when you have a lot of kids to do that. Also, double up, like have a doctor buddy, like a dentist buddy, like do it by age, whatever, whoever's close in age. And usually I do my son, even though he has a girl twin who's almost 13. I usually do him separately because he's a boy and she's a girl. you know, I just felt they would be a little bit more comfortable. They actually have different doctors. But for the girls, buddy them up. My two 12-year-olds go together and my 9 and 10-year-old go together. And then baby Tizeo, I do him separately. The last well check, I actually did the 2 boys together, 2-year-old boy and 12-year-old boy. And that worked out beautifully because big bro is a huge help with little bro. So yeah, that is like the best tip for you. And but not only doubling them up, but schedule ahead of time. Do not leave the doctor's office without scheduling another one. It keeps you accountable. It keeps you on track. It just works beautifully.
Hi guys. Come on in. Alright guys, we're gonna make a right turn. We're gonna head down.
How tall are you?
I don't know.
You are 4 feet 2 inches and you are 4 feet 3 inches. Only 1 inch apart and a whole year apart. You like the doctors?
Yeah.
You like, what do you like about the doctors?
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure thing? The blood pressure. Look how cute this is. Zayo, are you at the doctor's?
He said, Ben, look at that.
Yeah, giraffe.
He's so cute.
No, you're so cute. We need to finish cleaning this area.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
You say happy birthday?
Say Vea.
Lunch. And then doctor's appointment. I need to go to UPS and mail these to my niece and nephew.
About that.
Burn!
How's that a burn? You know what? You need to get up.
Ace used to call me mama forever.
Hey,
When he
Mama.
was like 10, 11, he mama.
What?
I loved it. You're still my baby.
I'm born.
No, sometimes he calls me mama. Mama.
Take the spotlight.
Yeah.
Yes, babe.
One meal.
Oh. Okay, when we get home, okay? And then girls, I'm gonna teach you how to make my famous Hawaiian chili.
Okay.
Okay? Because we're gonna make it because Daddy's having some friends over to watch. I forget. They're to watch like
the
a
national
football
championship
game. I think Joey and Sam and Joe.
Sam!
today, or like
Coach.
at the national championship,
Yeah, they're coming over to watch it on the TV.
January 20th.
No, today, January 10th.
Oh yeah, Ohio State and Texas
Ohio
are
State.
playing.
That's right. So
I want to go to Penn State.
You know.
I'm probably not gonna be able to because.
But yeah, you should research volleyball because Lexi said there's some good teams like
Are we
Texas
going to a
and
volleyball
Nebraska.
Yeah, we're going to the Vegas Thrill game on Sunday.
I forget what college Lexi wants to go to. Or
She said
high school.
Texas.
Okay, so first,
Oh, Liberty.
doctor's appointments. Second, go get the little girls from school. Come home. All three of you have football practice this evening. Okay? Yes, at 6 o'clock. Hopefully I have enough time to make the chili. Let's hope, because I want to make a huge pot of it separated to at least like 4 different meals so we can have once a week for the next month, because that's like a really good hearty meal I could just throw in the crock pot on busy nights. I need to do some more folding of the laundry. Anyone want to help me? Wah, wah. I'll give you something else to do.
Wait, Mom.
I did notice that the laundry is piling up in your guys' rooms, and I don't understand why, because 2 days ago I did all your laundry. So how is it completely, your basket completely full again? And yours is overflowing, which is crazy. Can we explain why?
It smells after I use it for a day.
All right. Well, you're gonna throw it in the wash, put some OxyClean in it, and you're gonna do it yourself.
Oh, Mom, but if the game starts at 4:30, and
The game starts at 3:30, I think. I don't know. Your dad said they're coming at 3:30.
Yeah, the game starts at 4:30. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, so you could only
And then-
watch an hour of it.
And yeah,
Then you gotta go.
the game. Will
You can watch it like in the car on my phone and whatever until we get to football. Dance. Watch me dance. There's round 2. Of course, Bluey's a boy. Is it nap time? All right, friends, I didn't have enough energy to put the chili recipe in this video, so it will be in the next one, along with another recipe that we love. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and get notifications.